We're here at Circle Center Mall, here in Indianapolis, Indiana. We're gonna film the glass elevators here. Look at that. Oh, wow, they got new cabs. No sun thing in the back. Let's go down to P2. I'm very surprised this thing is still here. There's the lantern right there. Here we go to M4. Here we go. Looks pretty nice. Look at this. Wonder what the heck's going on with this mall. P2. It's a Simon Mall. This thing is pretty cool to film. Oh, wow. I thought it's funny that the mall isn't even open. Even though it's supposed to open at 10, it is. Going up?
Yes.
What floor?
M3.
M3. You're welcome. 6:52, it's almost 7. Oh boy. Mall level 3. You're welcome. Still at the door problem. Yay. Mall level 4. We're sitting downstairs. Uh-oh. What do we have here? Some weights. Huh. Weird. There's PNC Bank over there. Maybe that's where the new elevators might be going, but I don't know for sure. Wow. I came up all the way up here just thinking that the other elevator is working, but nope, it was broken. We're gonna be waiting for a while to get one of these elevators here. I don't even know what the plan is for the glass elevators because I heard that they're doing a renovation at this mall and it seems like they're doing one right now. I'm gonna be waiting up here for a while. But, I mean, the glass elevator's nice. I mean, don't get me wrong for that. I mean, Simon, please don't replace these elevators with Kone. But that's probably my guess, is that these things are going to get modded, well, even replaced with Kone. But these are still very nice. M2. Hey, do your door slamming thing. Still does that. Innovation universal buttons. There's the other one. The other one's broken though. 6,000 pounds capacity. And here we are, model number 2. It's so funny that this ball is like completely dead, even though it's only almost 7 o'clock. But anyway, those are the elevators. This was actually sitting here. Okay, what? Let's see what the heck is going on with this. Wow, door issues. Yay. Yeah, you got door problems. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it.